So, hi guys! I'm back. Welcome back to me. So, ngayon, manonood tayo ng MV ni Stel, which is yung Room, yung first niyang solo single release, ganon. And ayun, let's see kung gaano pinaghandaan to ni Stel. And napakinggan ko na nga pala yung audio. So, papanoorin naman natin yung kanyang music video. So, type na natin. So, let's go, guys.
Ever since I use Aveeno Skin Relief Lotion and Body Wash, ito na yung skin ko ngayon.
Ads muna tayo.
Trust me when I say that this is a game changer, offering relief in as fast as 20 seconds.
Yung pala yung audition. Sinasabi niya sa live.
Here's the stage, everyone! Pakikuha ng mic.
Step forward and try to make myself alive. I see your eyes, they good at mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind.
Kaya ba yun?
Complicated silence, stuck about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy.
Ay, hindi siya yan.
Might be too much to
Sino pala to?
Damn it, it's so pretty. I
Mukha
see
lang.
me flow in your body.
Yung dancer nila.
Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one different. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one different. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. See the private face and shine the star your spine. Oh my.
Oh my God, Stel! Yan pala yun. Siya pala yun.
We don't need that, let time slow its pace. Fade to black, cause now we're face to face. It's the only answer. This energy that's within me won't ever let you skip. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't wanna.
My God, Stel! Oh my God! Grabe! Grabe ka, Stel! What the hell, Stel?
Dance.
Tainis! Barupuan!
Go!
Like natin, like. Okay, composed by Pablo, produced by Rad Kids. My gosh. So, yun guys. Ang masasabi ko lang, grabe ka, Stel. Oh my God! Grabe si Stel! Apaka-daring niya dito sa music video na to, ha. More on ano siya. Daring siya dahil sa mga body rolls, the movements of the body, yeah. Yung mga haplusang ganyan. Sinayawan ba naman ang upuan? Oh, yung mga taga-strawberry farm dyan. Ako, talaga naman. Nagwawala na po silang lahat. Oh my God, Stel, I'm so proud of you. And of course, proud din ako kay Pablo for composing this song. My gosh, iba ka talaga, Pablo. Hands down, Stel. Huli man at magaling, maibubuga pa rin. Tama ba? Basta, kahit mahuli man, let's go. Ganda pa rin ng quality and all. Wala nang masabi. So, thank you guys for watching my video reaction. And see you again next time on my next reaction video. Bye-bye.